Keep siding at the correct clearance from finished grade to prevent moisture wicking and pest access. For wood siding, maintain a clearance of 6 to 8 inches above finished grade to prevent capillary moisture transfer and fungal decay. If using masonry veneer, aim for 4 to 6 inches, which accommodates mortar splash and reduces direct soil contact. Keep siding clear of paved surfaces by at least 1/2 inch to 1 inch to avoid pooling water against the bottom edge and to allow for routine cleaning. When fiber cement or exterior insulation and finish systems are involved, follow the manufacturer recommendations exactly, because these products have specific tolerance for moisture exposure and flashing requirements. Always install a continuous water-resistive barrier behind the siding and flash all horizontal terminations, including where siding meets foundations, porch slabs, steps, and grade, to direct water outward. Grade the soil away from the foundation at a slope of at least 1 inch per foot for the first 6 feet to move surface water away and protect the clearance you established. Use rot-resistant trim or metal flashing at the bottom of the siding to create a sacrificial or protective element that is easy to inspect and replace. Common mistakes include placing siding too close to soil or mulch, which causes moisture wicking and insect entry, so raise the siding or lower the grade and keep organic mulches away from the wall. Another issue is failing to account for paved areas where concrete or pavers sit higher than finished grade, so trim back the paving or increase the siding setback and add a gap for ventilation. A third frequent problem is assuming one clearance fits all materials. Consult the product installation instructions and adjust clearances accordingly, and add flashing or weep holes where specified. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and resources focused on proper installation practices like siding clearance and moisture management. We host a discussion community where users and contractors share real-world tips, ask questions, and post project photos to help make better decisions.